In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can remove your Google account from other devices. You can simply log out your Gmail account from devices you either logged into before or untrusted devices that hacked your account. To do this, simply head into your Google account. On this page, tap on these three lines right here. Then scroll down onto the Settings option. Tap on this first option to head into your Info, Privacy, and Security. On this page, you will then slide to the Security tab right here. Then scroll down into the section of your devices. Then tap right here on Manage All Devices. You will see all devices that are logged into your Google account right here. The best part is you can also see the date and time when a particular device signed and accessed your Google account. To remove any device, tap into it and click on this option of Sign Out. Your Google account will get signed out from that selected device. To be on a safe side, after signing out untrusted devices, make sure to add a two-step verification to your account to ensure safety of your account. That's how easy it is to remove your Google account from other devices. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.